on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Behind us we are towing the Hellcat that we just recently installed a massive cam kit in. We're pulling up to Moonlight Performance right now. Today we're doing something a little abnormal for what they are used to. Typically we're bringing Chevys up here, but today we got a Hellcat that sounds like a Chevy.
Pretty color, ain't it?
It is, man. Yeah, we did some bright wheels on it. I can't wait till you hear it. It sounds about like that damn car in there.
I saw the video.
It chops pretty hard. I'm excited to see what it makes though. I have no clue.
Did y'all tune it?
Yeah, it's gotten tuned through underground tuning. They just wanted to see it on a dyno just to get a log of it, and that's it.
Look at this dude.
Duke's a hazard style.
I was about to say it.
Right there is good?
Yeah.
All right. Not too bad for a little Dodge. We haven't been on this dyno in a bit, but this is, of course, at Moonlight Performance. Huge shout out to all the guys over here. This is gonna be really awesome. Spent a lot of work putting this car together. Let's see what it makes. Finally.
You're gonna log it, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna just log it in my phone and that's all. So it's gonna do like probably 2 or 3 runs and that's it. We're just curious what it makes. Once you key on, you can let me know and I'll start the little data log. Okay, should be good to go. Alright, it says that it started now, so it should be good. I am so excited, dude. The first big cam Hellcat that we've had on the channel ever. We're about to find out what it makes. We're logging everything for the tuner to make any revisions, but listen to this thing, dude. Right off the rip, dude. We weren't even damn. Right off the bat, 744 wheel. And we're technically revving it out another 600 RPM. That was just a little test. And tests went pretty solid. Good God almighty.
That thing was fucking fast.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, if we could go, it's technically, I think it's like 7,100, but yeah, 7 should be fine. All right, it should be good to go. Yep. Run number 2 all the way to the red line. Let's see. Pretty saucy. Holy shit. 775. Oh my god. 775 wheel horsepower. Oh my god. It almost made 800 horsepower to the tires just now. That's definitely faster than a Demon. We were talking about, is it going to be faster than a Demon? Yes. Yes, it is going to be. Stick shift and everything, dude. Oh my god. Both of those graphs look pretty spot on with each other too. Not too bad.
What do you got tuning it?
This is tuned through underground tuning. So they do a lot of the Dodge stuff, but
it's still making power way up there.
Yeah, it looked pretty healthy. It felt good. We did some street stuff.
It's not laying over yet.
Don't turn it up.
The bottom end's good enough to keep going. I would keep turning. It's still making power.
Damn, that's impressive. What the heck? pretty solid. I was trying to see if even doing a cam on these is worth it, but it seems like it picks up pretty decent bit. And it's still on 93, so not bad.
You want to send the log and let him look over it, or you just want to make another one?
Yeah, I'm gonna send it real quick, and then I'll let him decide. But we'll probably wait like till he responds back. He's probably gonna look it over right now though. But thank you so much. I appreciate you. Hey man, what's up?
Nothing so much. Just on the computer, ready when you are.
Okay, we just sent you over 2 logs, but right off the rip, it is pretty healthy, dude. It did 775 on that file.
Damn.
Yeah, it's pretty saucy. I'm not gonna lie.
No, we turned that bitch up.
So we turned that up. All right, all right. Well, I just sent you over 2 logs. We did 2 pulls, but yeah, I think it's got a little bit more in it too.
Hey, you mind send me a picture of the graph?
Okay, bet. Sounds perfect, bro. I'll send it to you.
All right, see you.
All right, bye. Sweet. So he's making a log right now. He said that he's definitely got more power on the table. We're about to crank it up even further, but to see 775 out of a stock blower 93 Hellcat is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Valve springs, the cam, definitely worth the upgrade, especially seeing that at the top of the graph it is still climbing, where typically we'd have to shut it down because of the stock valve spring. So everything we did, definitely working out really well apparently. Yeah, he's at 1 second, he's writing some edits. He just wanted to see a picture of the dyno graph, and that was it. He'll send over some stuff. If y'all ever do Dodge stuff though, I wouldn't honestly say he's a bad guy to use. He's pretty fire. He just sent me over another file, so I'm gonna write it real quick and then see what it does. All right, now we can turn it off. Wait 10 seconds. New file should be on here, so I guess we're good to make another rip and see what it does. This should be the first one with actual power to it, so let's get it. I know, that damn thing throws me off every time. Let's see what it do. I bet this pull is gonna be it. I think this is gonna be our peak power pull right here. The beep, beep, beep. It's warm now too. Let's go. This dyno is good luck, I'm telling you. That should be good. That was perfect. Thank you. Heck yeah. Making some pretty good power.
I don't know if the dyno's good luck or not. That's our first encounter.
I know. We got all the bad luck out of the way.
Yeah.
with the Corvette for sure. Hellcat.
He was like, I thought y'all didn't work.
Oh, he's calling again. Hey man.
Hey, Kyle engine's on his way.
That one was sick, bro. That one broke 800 wheel. That was 802 wheel right there.
Oh shit.
Yo, the graph looks great. The whole way up top, I'd say 5,500 and up is up about another probably 10-20 horsepower. It looks great.
We are running out of injector up top.
Yeah, that would make sense. That's cool. Yeah, that's no stress. And honestly, we can leave it just like it is and leave it at that power just to be safe. Honestly, I was expecting it to make like 730, 740 wheels. So seeing 800 plus is insanity.
The car is asking for more, I'll tell you that.
It just needs more injector. Should we keep it on the dyno for now, or what you thinking?
Definitely keep on the dyno. Let me work some magic here.
Okay, sounds perfect. We'll keep it here.
I'll teach you how to...
Okay, bet. That sounds perfect.
Alright, give me 2 seconds.
All right, sounds good. So he said that he's making a revision right now. Whenever we get a revision back, he's about to show us how to use the flames next. So we've got an 800 wheel horsepower, soon to be flame spitting Hellcat on our hands. That's pretty cool, pretty cool. Y'all ready to see some ricer stuff?
What?
We're about to be blowing flames out of here, apparently.
Let's do it.
And I'll send you much grip mode, which has the RPM, the red limiter drop down even more to the 6,200, but it's aggressive.
Okay.
You bounce off of. It also has the flames. The way the flames work is you'll get above like 5,000 RPM, you'll let off,
You see Brett
and then
Fisher.
you'll get the gas below like maybe 3% to 5% of gas. It's like lighting the gas.
So it's Roger Norris. He looked just
Okay,
like Roger
okay,
Norris.
I got you. I can see that.
Just like you're flipping it to ignite it, and you'll hold it, you'll hear it sound like a jet taking off the back.
Okay, all right, sounds good.
So give that a shot and let me know.
Okay, sounds perfect. Do we need to get a log of the final race tune to you again, or you think that's good as it sits?
No, I think the race tune is good as it fits.
Okay, that sounds perfect.
Get a fire extinguisher.
Get a fire extinguisher. Okay, we'll make sure we got one here. I appreciate it.
All right, brother. Just let me know how it goes.
All right, I sure will. So I can do this at my place, or y'all, if y'all, I didn't know if y'all wanted to play around with something cool, y'all are welcome to. I looked at videos online, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, these flames that I was seeing online were like out to here. Something insane. He says all you do is go over 5,000 and let it decel, and then you just want to tap it like 3 to 5 and just kind of like give it a little gas to ignite it, and then just hold it about 3 to 5%, and it'll just, he said it sounds like a jet coming out the back. I'm gonna flash it, and apparently it does some cool stuff. So the car already made 800 wheel. We just got a finalized tune from him, but we're gonna try out this little drift tune, flame tune.
Got a fire extinguisher.
Okay.
It's in date. We just have
Perfect, thank you. I would hate to burn the plates down. That would be the worst. And there we go. We got race mode and we got drift mode. So the drift mode apparently got this little flame map on it apparently. So let's see. We'll flash it on and see what we got. Turn off the ignition. You're gonna want to watch the back.
I'm scared.
Ignition back on. Done complete. All right, apparently it's got this little drift mode little thing on there. If you want to give it a go.
And then do it sitting here. We don't have to be rolling.
Yeah, you might be right, because it would have to, right? Yeah. So he said just hold it over 5,000, give it a little blip, and then hold it about 3%. And it sounds like a jet afterburner, apparently. Oh, yeah, absolutely. You can post it. Let's see what it does. Okay, I got you.
And it cuts itself off too.
That makes sense. Okay, I follow. Yeah, you had some good ones going out there just now. Thank you. Heck yeah. That's insane. My ears are ringing. Did you see that? They were huge. Oh my God. Look, it's like black back here. Golly. Ah. Damn, dude. She's bad. What?
It didn't burn the back.
No? That was crazy, huh? Did you get to see how big they were?
It was a bit weak. And then I felt it on the side of my face.
You was hiding? Golly. Let me pull up that video. I gotta get the replay. Jesus.
That could be yours.
I'm saying. Damn. No, that's good. That's loud. Y'all gotta get the cops called over here.
They know who we are. They'll come sit right there sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, and just hang out.
That's pretty cool. Come watch some cars get run.
They'll come up here. We heard something loud up here. We wanted to see it.
Oh, that's cool.
Probably doing a lot better on the road because the car keep it going.
Yep, I can see that.
And it slows down. Whatever it does, when you hold it, you feel it do it, like the car, and then when it, I guess, gets below a RPM, you feel the car bludge and it cuts off.
Okay.
So it probably do it really good with the weight of the car.
Yeah, just keep it pushing through it. Okay. Hell yeah. Okay. Thank y'all so much, dude. Wow. That is crazy. What you think?
Pretty cool.
Was it worth all the
I
work?
thought I was gonna make all the back like black.
Over time it might, but so far pretty good.
So they're gonna be able to do that by themselves when they drop that? Where do you-
Yeah. Whoever wins will have a flame spitting car. This is the most obnoxious car we've ever given away. Look at them all around. That's so cool. Golly. Okay, yeah, I have nothing at all but good things to say about Underground Tuning. You guys have got to go check them out. That is pretty fire. Huge shout out to Moonlight Performance for allowing us to come over here and strap this car down to make a whopping 800 plus wheel horsepower. That is sick. I know, right? Golly.
We did the same thing back in the day with like nitro switches and fuel. Put a spark plug back here, cut the switch off, load it up, and hit the ignition back on it.
Boom. Yeah.
Plugs over. Are you done with it? Or?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, dude. I'm telling you. I'm going to keep giving you shout outs every single time, but please, God, you guys got to go and check these guys out. I wish I could promote and say they do Mopar stuff, but you're on your own with this. Anything Chevy related, though, these guys got you covered.
Hey, we may start doing it.
Yeah, honestly, you should. I could really see a huge demand for y'all doing these. We've done so much work with these guys between the Roadrunner that we had for Dallas Austin. They did Pose Car. They've done the Hellcat. They did our giveaway Corvette. They've done, I don't even know how many vehicles. Pretty cool. Thank you again. Seriously, man. That's so cool to see. Hell yeah. Let's take this thing back home and show Reese. I've got to get his reaction. He's going to be dead. Yeah, I want to show him. He's going to be dead. He's not gonna believe how big they are. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get this thing loaded up, take it back home. We are headed out, man. Huge shout out again to Moonlight. I cannot believe that our 800 horsepower target goal, Hellcat, made 800 to the tire. That means that the crank, this car is probably 900 plus horsepower. What the? This is absolutely the highest horsepower giveaway car we've ever given away. That is insane, dude. I gotta go tell Reese. Let's go. My friend. Let me just tell you, the Hellcat is working. Oh my gosh. This thing made 802 wheel horsepower. It is over 800 wheel. That means it's 900 horsepower with the crank. Yeah. Also, the flame tune on here, my friend. Oh. I think it's got to be moving down the road though. That's the only downside, bro. But I mean, like on the dyno, the flames are like out to here. Oh big, just this thing, I'm telling you, is better than you think for video. I bet the flames are actually, I'll give you a teaser. I'm just gonna give you a teaser since you can't see it in person just yet. Holy shit. He's figuring out how to get it to activate. Yeah. You gotta hold it over 5,500 like this, and then let off, and then tap the gas like this.
What? That's insane.
Yep. And then made 800 wheel on top of all of that. Like, what the hell? On 93 octane, you can walk up and pump 93 octane into this and make over 800 wheel horsepower. Bro.
That's crazy.
That is, one of you guys are gonna be taking home our highest horsepower ever giveaway that actually spits flames. I don't even think any of our other giveaway cars have spit real flames. That is insanity. Hades, in final form, has made it back home. Boop, boop. Ah.
Backing up.
Guys, look, we already made it back home with the Hellcat. It's up on the lift, taken apart for more surprise upgrades coming in next video. My point here, I have 2 scooters that are gonna go to somebody that go to itsjust6.com, get 30 times interest to win this car using the code Black Friday too. You're gonna get 10% off. Let me rerun that, okay? Use the code Black Friday at itsjust6.com. You're getting 30 times interest to win that car, but also 10% off of everything that you order on the site. And again, someone that uses that code is going to be winning one of these really sick Navis scooters. We have 2 of them. They're gonna be going to you guys for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Thank you so much for the support. Comment down below. Let us know what you want to see with the Hellcat next. We got some pretty cool plans, but for now, see you next upload. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Whoa, whoa, whoa.